Andrew's Crochet, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to decrease 3 double crochet stitches into one. Okay, it's very simple. Before I showed you how to do a double crochet, which was simply yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over again, then pull through, go through the first 2 and then finish the stitch. Right, that's the normal double crochet. When you want to decrease a double crochet, you yarn over, you go through 2 of the front loops, the next 2 stitches, and then when you're going to decrease, you yarn over again, but this time you want to pull that yarn through these 3 loops. So you go 1, 2 and 3, and then finish off like a normal double crochet. But sometimes, like for instance in this pattern, which I'm making for my ladybird pattern, I want to decrease 3 double crochet stitches into one. It's just like decreasing 2 into one, only except you do 3. So we're going to start off with a normal double crochet, so it's yarn over. Now instead of the 2, we want to go into the front 3 loops, so the next 3 stitches. So that's 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so when we eventually yarn over, we're going to come back through these 3 loops and that loop there. So yarn over and bring your hook through those 3 loops as well as the next loop there, and then finish off like a normal double crochet. And that's how you do 3 into 1.